Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel blog post. Today we're going to continue with our look at the newest functions in Excel Office 365 and 2019 with the CONCAT function. And we're going to see how it compares and differs with TEXTJOIN and the concatenate function. So let's take a look at that in Excel. Recently we looked at the TEXTJOIN function. And just as a quick refresher, if I take equals TEXTJOIN, you have to define your delimiter. So if I want a comma space, I'm going to put it in quotes and say comma space. And then I have to decide if I want to ignore or include empty cells. Doesn't matter, I don't have any, so I'm going to put 1 comma. And then if I highlighted a range here, close my parentheses, notice it has 1 comma 2 comma etc. Or I can take and put comma, add another range, enter that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cat, dog, bird, bat, mouse. Or, I can group them all together here, and I would have 1 cat, 2 dog, 3 bird, etc. So that's the TEXTJOIN function. With concatenate, if I typed equals concatenate and I highlighted a range, close my parentheses, I would only get one number because concatenate can't handle ranges like that. I would have to actually go through and identify each one individually. 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, and then Excel would concatenate those. And if I wanted to put a comma in space, I'd have to put the ampersand, the net in quotes, etc. How concat works is it allows me to select an entire range and it will group those together differently than concatenate where I had to select each individual one. And I can select multiple ranges. I can hit comma, select the second range, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cat, bird, dog, etc. Or I can select the whole range at once and it'll just alternate them. 1 cat, 2 dog, 3 bird, 4, etc. So concat is kind of a halfway between the TEXTJOIN and the concatenate function. Now you can also use it with numbers. So I could type equals concat and I can select these a range of numbers here. Notice it justifies it to the left, so it's treating it as text. If you needed to convert that to numbers that you can use, there's a couple ways to do that. You could always put double minus signs in front. That'll justify it to the right. Or you can add any other similar function. Times 1, that'll also do that too. I can also take concat plus concat, take a next string of numbers, and Excel will actually take and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 12,345 to 98,765, and you get that number there, 111,110. So Excel can take those numbers and with adding some kind of arithmetic operation, convert that text to numbers and you can use them in some kind of function. So that is the concat function in Excel.
And there you have it. I hope you like what you see. If you do like what you see here, please take a minute to share this post on your favorite social network. I can be found on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So I hope you enjoy this. If you'd like to see more, please feel free to stop by my website, excel-bytes.com, and I hope you subscribe. So have a great day and happy excelling.